Okay, and this is lesson 6 in our further algebra topic, and I'm going to reintroduce common factorising, which we talked about at the start of the week, but I'm going to call the factorising common factors. The reason I'm doing that is because common factors is just one part of factorising. We're going to do a whole lot of factorising when we get back to school later in the term. Can be easy, can be hard, but this is just one type of factorising called common factors. And basically, remember what we're doing. We're changing. If we start off with brackets and we expand our brackets to get our answer, then we're going to replace our answer or change our answer back to our brackets by looking for something that's common in both terms. Okay, so that's why it's called common factors. We're looking for something common in both terms. Now, let's look at our first one, and these three we'll get through pretty quickly because we've done them before. So something that's common between 10x and 5, well, we can see that 5 will go both into 10 and 5, obviously. So we can put 5 at the front, and then in brackets, remember what we ask ourselves, 5 times this term here will give us 10x. So it's going to be 5 times 2x will give us 10x, plus 5 times what will give me 5. And of course, that's just 1. Okay, nice and easy one. And just remember, we can check our answer by timesing it out. We can say, well, 5 times 2x is 10x. 5 times 1 is plus 5. And that checks out with that. Alright, next one. 4x squared minus 2x. Now, common factors, well, there's a 4 and a 2, so we can take 2 out as a common factor, which I'm automatically going to do. Also notice there's an x squared term here and an x here, so I'm going to take an x out as well. And then in my brackets, I'm going to ask myself 2x times what? And I can write that down even if you can't do it in your head, and that's fine. 2x times what will give me 4x squared, and that of course is 2x, so 2x will go in there. There'll be a minus sign. 2x times what will give me 2x, and of course that's 1. Okay, next question. No numbers here but just letters, so let's see what we can take out. We've got a p squared here and a p here, so we'll take out a p. It's normally the one with the lowest power that we'll take out. Here we've got a q and a q squared, so we'll take out a q here. Now, let's see what's missing. If we've got a p squared and a q, we've got a p and a q here. What we need to have here is, well, we end up with a p squared when we times it out, so we really need to have a p in there. So we have p times p, which is p squared, with a q attached. Put a minus sign in. Now we've got a pq times by something will give us a q squared p. Well, the p's are common, so we don't have to worry about adding another p because the p will come from here. Q squared, well, we've got one q, so I guess we're going to need another q. Again, if you're not sure if you've got the right answer, let's times it out. So we've got pq times p will be p squared q minus pq times q, p times q squared, or p times q squared, which is the same as that.